Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. Right now, Right Honorable Emeka Ihiedioha has come under fire for the action he took, but of course, he have decided also to clear his name using his media aid. It's getting, we are getting closer to election period. Electioneering have taken place, so most swinging, taking jabs are now becoming the order of the day. Before going to the newspaper to find out why Emeka Ihedioha is in the picture and being slammed everywhere, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you say bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. But the immediate former governor of Imo State, Right Honorable Emeka Ihedioha, has termed as deliberate falsehood report on social media, alleging that he has switched his Christian faith. The former governor said the claim that he switched Christian faith for Islam is a gross misinterpretation of fact. The former deputy speaker of the Federal House of Representatives was spotted on Wednesday praying inside a mosque during the funeral rites of the elder brother of Sokoto State Governor Aminu Tambuwal. In a statement by his media aide Chibuike Onyengo, on Friday, he maintained that the claim is a harebrained act of desperation that is as malicious and as wicked as it is annoying. The statement reads, and I quote, "While His Excellency has great respect for all faiths, everyone knows that he is not only a committed Christian, but also a knight of the Anglican Church." The former deputy speaker of the Federal House of Representatives was spotted on Wednesday praying inside a mosque during the funeral rites of the elder brother of Sokoto State Governor Aminu Tambuwal. In a statement by his media aide Chibuike Onyengo on Friday, he maintained that the claim is a harebrained act of desperation that is also malicious and wicked. The statement reads in part, and I quote, "While His Excellency has great respect for all faith, he is a Christian and also a knight of Anglican faith. For emphasis, His Excellency was only paying his respect to the departed." The picture attached to the viral fake news was taken on Wednesday, January 19, 2022, at the Tambuwal family residence in Tambuwal local government area of Sokoto State, where Right Honorable Ihedioha joined his longtime friend and governor of Sokoto State, His Excellency Right Honorable Aminu Waziri Tambuwal, CFR, for the funeral rites of his elder brother, Alhaji Mohammed Bello Waziri Tambuwal, who passed on few days ago. We know the desperados behind this mischief. Fortunately, the perceptive public know them too. Well, it could also recall that such had recently flooded the social media and mainstream media with reports purporting that he had concluded plans to dump PDP for the All Progressive Grand Alliance APGA, alleging that he was nursing a senatorial ambition. The statement continues, "Unfortunately for those failed political jobbers, the highly discerning and ever-vigilant public has stuck with Right Honorable Ihedioha despite these orchestrated moves. It is not in contention that His Excellency Right Honorable Ihedioha remains the darling of the people of Imo State. This is because of his candor and outstanding stewardship in the high offices he has held, especially his accomplishment as the servant leader of the PDP-led rebuild Imo administration. However, we know that at the appropriate time, our brothers and sisters of all religious inclination will join other well-meaning people of Imo State to give Right Honorable Ihedioha resounding support to reclaim his mandate on the platform of PDP, a party he has been not just as a foundation member, but also as a very loyal and strong pillar. Honorable Ihedioha has remained the pride of PDP, not only in Imo State but nationally. He is a party loyalist without blemish. The public should therefore disregard these smear campaigns and go about their normal businesses. We, however, expect more of these blackmails in the coming days, but we are not distracted. All eyes must be on the ball. Good. What is paramount to the people of Imo State at this time is a return to the era of good governance so that the sacred project of rebuilding Imo State will continue at peace, it said. Wow, this is another way of also telling Imolites to get ready. They should get ready. Their voters card. Come the time Imo State is supposed to go to the polls, gubernatorial elections. I think that's may come 2024 because of the disparity in the calendar, the election calendar for Imo State. And it's telling them ahead, those propagating or purporting news that is going for senatorial seat using APGA. Now he's stylishly telling them that's not true. How can they move from where he was to where? What is that? He said he's not thinking of any senator. Senate what? He's not thinking of any senatorial seat anywhere. He's thinking of reclaiming his mandate. What was the mandate that he felt or he's saying was taken from him? Of course, is the number one chief security officer of the state, which is the governorship mandate. And he's saying, come that day, come that year, he's contesting, and not on any other platform, not on APGA, not on APC, but PDP, that he's among the founding fathers, and a loyalist to the core without blemish. And during his time, let's give it to him. During his time, during his reign as the governor of Imo State, we must give it to him. There was relative peace and calm in Imo State, but times change, events happen. Let's just hope that come that day, Imolites will not just vote for him only on the internet. They will not vote for him online. They will come out en masse and do the needful if they really want Emeka Ihiedioha, because politics is not all about people liking you. It's about also making them realize they should come out to vote. And don't also forget we still have the factor of rigging. But it's quite too early to mention, but he's just trying to tell his supporters that his eyes are on the ball and he's not going to be distracted. And he also knows that a lot of people, if you are saying picking from the old crops for Imo State, he would definitely, Emeka Ihiedioha may likely carry the day, because a lot of Imolites have the sympathy for him, having been, gone to the polls, having won, ruled for like 9 months, 9 months, and then all of a sudden a Supreme Court ruling upturned the one who was supposed to be first became a no one, and the fourth became the first, and it was backed up by evidences. Whether proven or not, he's not the governor anymore. And it's saying he had said to allow peace to reign, so that come the next election, he'll take his mandate. Well, time will tell who takes the mandate.